Welcome to our video, where I will show you the amazing benefits of chia seeds, including weight loss. Let's get into it, shall we? Chia seeds may seem like a modern fad, but their use actually goes back hundreds of years. Many Native American tribes, such as the Chumash, Maidu, and Costanoan, ate chia seeds as a significant part of their diet. And the seed was grown alongside corn in some places in Mexico, according to the United States Department of Agriculture Natural Resources Conservation Service. But back then, chia seeds weren't staples in breakfast bowls and smoothies. Some people mixed them with flour to make tortillas, while others combined them with water and cooked them to make porridge or soup. The seeds even had medicinal uses and were used to treat a range of ailments, from fever to inflammation, the USDA notes. Over time, this ancient seed grew in popularity, though not first as a popular superfood. Indeed, as the New York Times reports, chia seeds first resurfaced in our homes as a novelty item in the form of Chia Pets, which were widely popular a few decades ago. Since then, chia has experienced another little renaissance and now finds its way into our puddings, smoothies, breads, and much more. What are the possible health benefits of chia seeds? Chia seeds are definitely packed with nutrients and are listed by the US Department of Agriculture's My Plate guidelines as a great source of protein. But what does that actually mean for your health? It turns out many things. A review in the Journal of Food Science and Technology notes that chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, as well as a source of a number of different antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and camphorol, which may have heart-healthy, anti-aging, and anti-carcinogenic benefits. The fiber in chia seeds can aid the digestive system, and the review further noted that previous studies have found chia seeds can benefit people managing various diseases and health issues, including type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, hypertension, and depression. Other studies back up the power of fiber. One study, published in the American Journal of Medicine, found evidence of an association between high fiber intake in a diet and low risk of heart disease. Importantly, chia seeds have high amounts of linolenic and alpha-linolenic (ALA) fatty acids, as the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health notes. These acids can be used to create other omega-3 fatty acids, docosahexaenoic acid (DHA) and eicosapentaenoic acid (EPA), which the body can more readily use. Can adding chia seeds to your diet help with weight loss? Because chia seeds do have lots of fiber, they promote a feeling of fullness, and so might prevent the overeating that contributes to weight gain. But not a lot of evidence to date supports the idea that downing chia seeds will slim your waistline. For example, a study in nutrition research looked at how well chia seeds helped promote weight loss in overweight adults. To their surprise, researchers found the consumption of 50 grams of chia seeds, about a quarter cup, daily did not have any significant effect on body mass or on risk factors for certain diseases, such as inflammation and high blood pressure. Chia seeds are healthy for a variety of reasons and contain fiber, protein, calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3s. Some animal studies even show that they increase the feeling of fullness and help with weight loss. But so far, literature reviews and studies on humans haven't backed up these claims. There are lots of ways to eat chia seeds. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics notes that they can be added raw to dishes like cereal, yogurt, and even vegetables. Because the seeds develop a gelatin-like texture when they absorb water, they are often used to create healthy puddings. Chia seeds don't have much flavour on their own, so they pair well with a number of dishes. They can even be used as an egg replacer in baking, thanks to their gelatinous texture when mixed with water. Try the Harvard School of Public Health's recipe for the equivalent of 1 whole egg. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, or 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, with 3 tablespoons of water. Let sit for 5 minutes, and then add to your batter. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.